Advanced Vocabulary Mastery. Unlocking Collocation Assessment. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be focusing on a crucial, yet often overlooked aspect of language learning. That is collocation assessment. It's a part of our language understanding that can truly bring your English skills to an advanced level. So, buckle up, grab a notepad, and let's dive right into it. Collocation, in the simplest terms, is the habitual juxtaposition of words that typically go together. Words such as brush and teeth, or fast and food. Collocation assessment, therefore, refers to the evaluation of one's ability to use these word pairs correctly. It's like a measure of how well you've captured the spirit of the language, as native speakers naturally use collocations in their everyday speech. Collocation assessment plays a key role in language learning. Here's why. 1. Fluency and authenticity. First and foremost, knowing and using correct collocations improves your fluency and gives your language use a touch of authenticity. Using the correct word combinations can make your English sound more natural, almost like a native speaker. 2. Comprehension. Understanding collocations is also important for reading and listening comprehension. It helps us to predict the content and to understand the underlying meanings in a context. 3. Effective communication. Collocations often include nuanced pairings that dictionaries don't explain. By assessing and improving your collocation knowledge, your communication becomes more effective and accurate. Now that we understand the importance of collocation assessment, let's look at some strategies to incorporate it into your language learning journey. 1. Practice regularly. Like all aspects of language learning, practice is key. Regular exposure and usage of collocations will help you get comfortable with them. 2. Use contextual learning. Learn collocations in context rather than in isolation. This can involve studying them in sentences, dialogues, or stories. 3. Keep a collocation diary. It's a useful technique where you can jot down new collocations that you come across while reading or listening. 4. Self-assess and reflect. Regularly assess your own usage of collocations, and take note of where and why you made mistakes. Reflecting on your errors is a powerful tool for improvement. There you have it. Collocation assessment is indeed a valuable part of advancing your English skills. Remember, it's not just about learning new words, but about understanding how words work together in the English language. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget, practice makes perfect. Keep up the good work, and see you in the next video.